Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Welcome to Slow English Story. Are you ready to hear my story? Let's begin.
We are here, Emma.
Oh my, this is Malta.
Yes, welcome to Malta.
The sun is so bright.
Yes, Malta is always sunny.
I love it already.
I am happy to hear that.
Have you been here before, Mark?
Yes, I came here 2 years ago.
Oh, really?
Yes, I loved it very much.
Then you can show me everything.
Yes, I will show you everything.
I am so excited.
Me too, Emma. Me too.
Is this our hotel?
Yes, it is called Hotel Bella Vista.
Bella Vista. What does that mean?
It means beautiful view.
Oh, I like that name.
Wait until you see the view from the room.
Really? Is it nice?
It is very nice. You will love it.
Oh, Mark, come here.
What is it?
The sea. I can see the sea.
I told you, beautiful view.
This is amazing. Thank you, Mark.
You are welcome, Emma. This is Valletta. It is the capital city.
It is so old and beautiful.
Yes, these buildings are very old.
How old are they?
Some are more than 400 years old.
400 years. Wow.
Malta has a long history.
I can see that.
Look at that street over there.
Oh, it is so narrow.
Yes, the old streets are very narrow.
I like walking here. It feels special.
I feel the same way. Are you hungry, Emma?
Yes, very hungry.
Good. Let's try some Maltese food.
What is that bread?
It is called Hobbs. It is Maltese bread.
Hobbs? Okay, can I try it?
Of course. Go ahead.
It is soft and good.
And this is rabbit stew. It is very popular here.
Rabbit?
Yes, people in Malta love rabbit.
Okay, I will try it. Oh, this is delicious.
I told you.
Malta has very good food.
Yes, the food here is wonderful.
I want more.
Huh, of course you do.
Mark, look at that water.
That is the Blue Lagoon.
It is so blue.
Yes, the water here is very clear.
I can see the bottom.
I know, it is beautiful.
Can we swim here?
Yes, we can swim here.
I cannot wait.
The water is also warm.
Really? Even now?
Yes, Malta is warm most of the year.
This is the most beautiful place I have ever seen.
I am glad you like it.
Like it? I love it. The water is so warm
I told you.
and so clear. I can see my feet.
Yes, the water here is very clean.
I never want to leave.
Ha, we have to go back tonight.
Can we stay a little longer?
Yes, we have time.
Good. Mark, thank you
For what?
for bringing me here.
It is my pleasure, Emma.
I am so happy right now.
Me too. This place always makes me happy.
I understand why you love Malta.
Now you love it too.
Yes, I really do.
This is Mdina. It is a very old city.
It is so quiet here.
Yes, there are no cars in Mdina.
Really? No cars at all?
No cars, only people walking.
I like that. It is peaceful.
Very peaceful.
Mark, where are we?
Let me look at the map.
Are we lost?
Maybe a little.
A little?
Okay, yes, we are lost.
Oh no! What do we do?
Don't worry, Mdina is small.
Small?
Yes, we will find the way.
Are you sure?
I am sure. Let's walk this way.
Okay, I trust you.
Excuse me, can you help us?
Of course. What do you need?
We are looking for the main gate.
Ah, yes. Go down this street.
And then,
Turn left. You will see it.
thank you very much.
You are welcome. Enjoy Mdina.
Thank you.
Are you visiting Malta for the first time?
Yes, it is my first time.
I hope you love it.
I already do.
Okay, let's go, Emma.
That man was so kind.
Yes, Maltese people are very friendly.
I noticed that. Mark, look at that sky.
Beautiful, isn't it?
It is orange and pink. I love it.
Malta has wonderful sunsets.
I believe you now.
Good.
This has been a perfect day.
I think so too.
We swam in the Blue Lagoon.
Yes,
We ate delicious food.
yes.
We got lost in Mdina.
Yes, that too.
And now this beautiful sunset.
A perfect day.
I will remember this day forever.
Me too, Emma. Me too.
I don't want to leave.
I know.
Malta is special.
Yes, it really is.
The people are kind.
Yes,
The food is delicious.
yes.
And the sea is so beautiful.
I agree with everything.
Can we come back someday?
Of course, we can come back.
Promise?
I promise.
Goodbye, Malta.
Until next time.
Yes, until next time.
Okay, let's go. The taxi is waiting.
Okay, let's go. Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.